Hey guys, Ed here, and in this quick video I would like to show you how to change your taillight bulbs in 2018 Mazda 3. So it's actually very simple procedure. All you need to have is a screwdriver. So first I'll show you how to remove the reverse light, then turn signal with the brake light. So let's pop the trunk. Okay, so now let's start with this thing. In order to remove the light bulb from here, you'll have to take some clips out. It's actually very simple. Take a screwdriver and gently remove the clips. Okay, like this. Same thing right here. Okay. Try not to force it too much, they are brittle. Just get it in, open it up. Get it out. Okay, so right here we have access to our, this is the reverse light. So just disconnect the connector like this and spin the bulb after. Pull it and take it out. Simple, right? When you have a replacement bulb, same way. You put it in, spin it till it clicks, and connect the connector, and you're all set. After that, just take clips and put them back where we took them out from. One and oops, two. Okay, like this. As you can see, very simple. Different thing, if you have to change turn signal or brake light, what we do, we're gonna do the same thing with this clip right here. Okay, remove the clip, then we just fold down this thing, and here we have access to our bulbs. So just spin it, pull it out, and you have your turn signal. Same thing here. Spin it, pull it out, you have your brake light. Okay, if you have to remove it, you just take it with your hands and just pull it off. Put it back in, click it in, and you're all set. Once you're done, close the panel, close this cover, get your clip, close it, pin it with the clip, and you are all set. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.